Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button to see more home, holiday, event, wedding, and DIY decor. Today I'm going to show you how to make an easy and affordable backdrop for your upcoming wedding reception. Here we go. A lot of requests for sweetheart table decor, and today I'm going to be making an easy and affordable backdrop. So let's get started. Alright, so a little disclaimer before I get started with this video. As you guys know, I try to keep my projects at 50 bucks and under. Sometimes I do go over 5 to 10 bucks, but I try to keep them under 50 bucks. But this project is nowhere near 50 bucks. It is a little more expensive, but it is cheaper than the pipes and drapes that you are going to rent or buy elsewhere. So with that said, here I have two sets of stands to accomplish what I need. And one is a PVC pipe, and the PVC pipe is 6.5 by 7. So the width is 7 and these sides are 6.5. I am not going to teach you how to make this stand on this video because I already made it a couple of times, so I'm just going to attach it to the end of this video, and I'm going to have it on top as well as I'm talking. And I also have a second stand, which is a photography stand that I purchased on Amazon, and I will link that down below as well. So what I'm going to do first is add my accent drape, which is going to be a gold rose sequin backdrop. And if you're wondering why am I using two different types of stands, that's because the PVC pipes on the front tend to bend a little once you place the heavy drapes on them, and the photography stand in the back can be adjusted in height as needed. Next, I'm going to be adding sheer drapes to my stands, and by drapes I really mean scarves. I love using sheer scarves because they are more versatile and I can do so much more with them. Plus I feel that they look fuller and thicker when hanging. I'm going to hang two on either side of my sequin backdrop. Since I'm going to be tying my sequin drape in the middle, I'm going to need draping behind it. So what I'm going to do is add two more scarves to the back of it, and it's going to be hanging on my photography stand. And last but not least, I am going to add my monogram letter. Okay guys, this is it. This is my quick and easy pipes and drapes backdrop that you can use for your sweetheart table or even for your ceremony. The hardest thing about this project was to steam all 6 sheer scarves, but other than that, very easy. Love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to do so right here, right now. Also, leave me a comment, let me know what you thought of my sweetheart table backdrop, and leave me a comment anyway because I love to chit chat with you guys all the time. And make sure to share. Sharing is caring. If you know of a friend or a family member that's getting married soon, make sure to share with them at the end of this video because you'll be able to save them $1 or $2. Alright guys, until next time, bye.